Rainbow. I'm Twinkles. You are tall. Hey! Who are they?
I don't know.
I think one of them farted.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so stinky in here. Hello?
I didn't know that.
What's your name, little girl?
Lillian Louise Davis, Mario.
What's your name, other little girl?
I didn't know.
You don't know?
Her name is Alasia.
Do you know my name?
Yes, it's Tommy.
It's Twinkles.
Oh,
And I'm
Twinkles.
Rainbow.
This is my friend Rainbow. Don't you see me?
I'm going to
Rainbow and Twinkles.
Don't eat me.
You sing.
Ah! Okay, girls, get down. Get out. Get down. Okay. Thank you. See you later.
Cut. Narf.
Okay, who's next?
Me and Trey Pop.
Trey Parker, you by yourself?
Yeah.
Wait, Trey Parker's turn. You two are next.
I'm going with you, Dad.
Okay, sit down with the girls.
Want me to stop?
Stop it, then re-stop it. Let's say action.